Yo, good morning guys. It is already 8 o'clock. I already had my break. No, I had just coffee. And I am now preparing here. Oh, this is the last. Yeah, I'm going to eat it all. Oh, these are the two ends of the bread. It's alright. It is going to be cloudy today. There is no rain, but it's going to be cloudy. Yeah, I'm thinking of going outside. A bike in a little park place, maybe in Anna Bay. Okay. Oh wait, I'll show you. I still have this meat. I still have this beef and pork mince. The only vegetable I have is this carrots and this. I don't know what to do. Okay, it's sunny again. Yeah. Okay. I'm preparing this porridge. No, it's a lugaw, this one. But I put it here because yeah, I'm cooking the egg. 1 minute more. Yeah, the egg is totally cooked. I cooked this last night. Yeah, I just put it here because I was lazy to cook that meat, that minced beef and minced pork. That's why I have this last night. Yeah, this is the rice, the porridge, arroz caldo. Already eat that, and I'm going to keep it in the freezer or chiller. Just chiller. Maybe I will eat that tomorrow. I'm not sure. Oh, because I took shower last night, and yeah, I'm not going to wear this. Yeah, I changed the socks. You're the only one I ever desire. All the lights down low. Oh, I don't have oil. But it's raining. I need to go to the grocery. Yeah, according to the weather, there is rain at 2 o'clock. It is now 1 o'clock. Should we go to the grocery now or? Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, we are going out today. We are just going to roam around on the other side of the bay. Yeah. Yeah, because every time I always go on this side, so this time we're going to another side. Yeah, beautiful day today, as you can see. Yeah, the water is sparkling in there. Very calm. Blue sky, blue water. I don't know why there is not so much people. Oh, because today is Saturday. We are back in this usual place. Yeah, I missed this. Almost 2 months already that we are not passing in this way. Yeah, I miss going to work. I also miss the people, of course. The guys in the kitchen, I miss them. We keep on going. And we are now here in the Salamander Shopping Center. We're actually just going to buy something from inside. Yeah, just this. Oh, look at this face mask. 50 pieces, $69. My plan is to buy just bread and a napkin. I don't know what is it. Yeah, we're going to take one of these. This $5, $4.49. There are many things that I want to buy, but nah. Yeah, it is busy in here. There are so many people, and that's much of people. No one actually is wearing any mask. Look at this. There are so many, yeah, very affordable watches in here. Casio, G-Shock, Pulsar, Chisel. Yeah, but you know, I don't have plan of buying watches. Okay, we are finally out of the scary highway. Yeah, we're just going to have a look in here. There's one helicopter. Looks like an airplane, a small airplane. Yeah, there are so many cars in there, and there are many people on that side, especially on that side. They are a group of family. There are some kids playing on the water. Yeah, really nice. You know, because yesterday started the east restriction of the lockdown. People can travel now, can go to other people's house, family, relatives, like that. But traveling and staying in a hotel is not yet possible because there is still a restriction on how many people can gather together. Yeah, so like hotel is not allowed to open yet, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm having now this one. It's good. It tastes good. There's chocolate bread. Looks like it is going to rain now. I can actually feel some droplets of water. Wow, that's really scary. Yeah, we are now in this area, and as you can see, it looks dangerous. We are going out of that. Yeah, this is the rocky area. This one is located in the Ana Bay area. You can see there are many people in there. Also in there. Yeah, nice. I will show you more up here. My bike is actually there, and I'm going to do some pictorial of the bike. Yeah, I actually wanted to walk in there with my bike. I don't know when exactly is the way. Yeah, and there are many people now. They're going to fish. Okay, that's it. We are going now. I don't know where's the next, but we are leaving this place now. Afternoon. Oh, it looks like dead end. Yeah, there's family there. Okay, it's now 5 minutes to 4 o'clock. I was tired because of the uphill. I didn't change the gear. My mistake. Yeah, that's why I need to push really hard. Yeah. Okay, I'm now preparing this. I'm heating the rice, and I'm going to mix the rest, and I will make a longanisa.